Today, my sister and I will make the best cookies, chocolate chip cookies. They're gonna be really yummy. And this is my sissy, Khush. Over to my sister Khush.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Khush. I love baking. Today I'm going to make chocolate chip cookies with my brother. So I love baking. We'll go and preheat our oven. So let's go, brother.
Now we will preheat the oven. So here's the oven. My sister is gonna preheat.
Okay, so let's press bake and we're going to preheat at 350 Fahrenheit. So let's start. There, it's not preheating. Now I'll show you the ingredients. So over to the ingredients. This is flour. 1.5 cup of flour.
This is 1 cup. This is half cup.
This is white sugar. 1/3 cup.
1/3 cup.
1 large egg. 1/4 cup of butter. 3/4 cup of chocolate chips.
This is 3/4 cup of.
This is brown sugar, 3/4 cup. This is 1 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This is 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This is one teaspoon of vanilla essence. So this is our ingredients for chocolate chip cookies.
Now we will start mixing. This is the bowl we will use. You can use any kind of bowl, but it has to be this size of a bowl.
So now let's start mixing our ingredients. So first we'll take our butter and we'll take a spatula. So take it out. There we go. Then we'll add white sugar. Then we'll add brown sugar. And then we'll mix this. It should look like this. And now we'll mix it. So this is how it looks after we mix. This took mixing time. This took 3 to 4 minutes. So now my brother will add vanilla extract to our batter. So please add, brother. Thank you. So now we'll beat this. So this is how it looks after mixing vanilla extract in this batter. You can see. Now my brother will add egg. Please add the egg. Thank you. And now we'll mix this well.
The batter in the sides with the spatula, we will take it down like this.
Good job, brother.
And then I will just wipe this off.
And now you make sure that you mix, when you add the egg, you mix 5 minutes so that you won't get this egg smell in your cookies. So now after 5 minutes you can see this looks like creamy and fluffy like this. And now you can see our flour over here. You can see my brother will add salt to the flour. Please add, my brother.
Salt.
baking powder. Can you please also add baking powder? And mix it together so that it mixes well. Yeah, good job, brother. He's a great helper. I think it's good, brother. Gradually add your flour to your liquid batter, okay? So let's slowly add this. Add gradually. You can see I'm adding like gradually here. And now we'll mix this.
This might be little.
We are slowly adding a flour. So my brother is adding the flour into our batter. Please add, brother. Thank you. After mixing all the flour in this batter. And now my brother will add chocolate chip in this batter. Please add it. Thank you. And now don't use this electric mixer. Use a spatula. If you use the electric mixer, then it will crush all your chocolate chips. So don't use it, please. So now let's mix all those chocolate chips inside of our batter. This is how it looks when you mix carefully, when you mix all your chocolate chip in this batter. So you can see. I'll put this aside over here. And so I'll put this tray. This tray is already greased with butter, so my cookies won't stick. With a trigger ice cream scoop, I will make cookies with this. You can also do with spoon, but then it won't be the same size. This is a trigger ice cream scoop, which lets you make the same size of your cookies. So I already did my scoop, so I'm just gonna put this down like this. See how perfect size that is? And now my brother will make one. And then we'll put this in the oven for 13 to 15 minutes.
I made one.
My brother made one. It's really good.
We made 12 cookies. These are 12 cookies.
You will bake your biscuits in the oven for 13 to 15 minutes, but check after 10 minutes because everyone's oven is different. Maybe your mine oven is different than yours, so keep checking after 10 minutes. So now let's take this tray and put it in the oven. Now we're going to put our cookies in the oven. Can you please open it for me, Hasan? Thank you.
It's very hot.
There we go. And now they'll bake for 13 to 15 minutes, but check after 10 minutes. Don't forget. I closed the oven after 12 minutes and let it rest in the oven 5 to 10 minutes. So let's see how our cookies look like. Whoa, they look so good, right, brother?
Yes. They look awesome.
They look like this. Can you please close the oven, brother?
Sure.
Now let's get to there and try some cookies. In a cooling rack, cookies and even cakes cool really well. If you don't have a cooling rack, you can just put them in the tray to cool them. They can also cool really easily. So now I'll put brownie.
Their shape are really good.
Yeah, their shape are really good. You can see from the under of this, the color is golden brown, which we really like this. And the top shape is also beautiful, like this.
And it smells really good.
Yeah, it smells so good. This is how our cookies. You can even try them with milk. They even taste good. But I prefer with not milk. So let's try brownie.
Inshallah, they will be so
Here you go.
good. Thank you.
This is really good.
They're the best.
Please subscribe our channel